About to watch this link that this homeboy sent me. One guy, one screwdriver. I'm about to look at that shit, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to check this shit out. I see what the fuck they talking about, you know what I'm saying? How nasty this shit is and shit.
You are demons. I think the only thing you
Demons? What the
today is your own blood.
Oh! 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 Dude, niggas just on this shit. That nigga, what the fuck are you doing, bruh? That nigga playing with it. He playing with it. What the fuck? What the fuck are you doing? This is, you nasty. You a nasty bastard. You nasty as shit. The blood just on the ground, nigga. What the? That nigga said his dick in the tub. You a gay ass nigga, dog. That shit was nasty. Hey, you a nasty. Hey, that shit nasty. That's nasty. That's all I gotta say. That shit is nasty. Fuck that.